Fine scratches can make even a clean car look dull, and they're surprisingly common, especially if your car sits outside, gets washed often, or picks up dust and road grit. The good news is, most of these light marks are only in the clear coat, so they're usually easy to remove at home. The key is doing it the right way, because scrubbing too hard or using the wrong method can make the scratches deeper and more noticeable. In this video, we'll show you how to clean the area properly, then use rubbing compound and polish to safely buff out fine scratches and bring back a smooth, glossy finish. Let's get started. Cleaning the scratched area. Start by hosing down the scratched area to rinse away loose dirt and grit. Aim a steady, concentrated stream of water directly over the scratches and the surrounding paint, making sure the surface is thoroughly wet. This helps flush out tiny particles that can get trapped in fine scratches so they do not get rubbed deeper into the paint when you polish. Take an extra moment to rinse the edges of the scratch line too, since debris often collects there. And do not worry, spraying the area with water will not make the scratches worse or harm your paint. Wash the scratched area with soapy water and a clean sponge. Fill a bucket halfway with water, add a few drops of car soap and mix well. Soak the sponge, wring out the excess, then gently scrub the surface in circular motions to lift dirt from the paint and the scratch lines. Re-dip and wring the sponge as needed, and avoid scrubbing too hard. Rinse the soap off using clean water. Empty the bucket, refill it with fresh water, dip the sponge to rinse out the soap, then wring it out and gently wipe the area to remove any leftover suds. Dry the area completely with a clean cloth, wiping gently until the surface is fully dry to the touch before you apply any polish. And applying polish. Choose a rubbing compound and car polish specifically formulated for automotive use. Rubbing compound helps repair paint by filling in fine scratches and restoring the top coat, while car polish smooths out minor imperfections, swirls, and haze, bringing back a deep, glossy shine. Using both together allows you to safely and effectively remove fine scratches while revitalizing your car's paint for a like-new finish. You can find these products at local auto supply stores or conveniently order them online. Apply a quarter-sized amount of rubbing compound to a clean microfiber pad to avoid deepening scratches. Place the compound in the center of the pad, fold it over a few times, then unfold to evenly distribute it across the surface. A little goes a long way, even when covering large areas of fine scratches, ensuring smooth and effective polishing. Using your microfiber pad loaded with rubbing compound, gently rub the scratched surface in an up and down motion. This helps work the compound deep into the fine scratches, filling them effectively. Move the pad across the entire scratched area, continuing until the pad no longer picks up any compound, ensuring an even and thorough application. Take a clean microfiber pad and gently buff the scratched area using smooth, circular motions to remove excess rubbing compound while enhancing the paint's shine. Continue buffing until all compound is gone and the surface looks bright and even. Be careful not to scrub too hard, or you might lift compound from the scratches. You'll quickly notice the scratches fading and the paint looking revitalized. Use a fresh microfiber pad for the car polish, different from the one used for the compound. Place a quarter-sized dab in the center, fold the pad over a few times, then unfold it to evenly spread the polish across the surface for a smooth, consistent application. Wipe the polish over the scratches using a gentle back and forth motion, opposite to the up and down strokes used with the compound. Move the pad from left to right, spreading the polish evenly across the scratched area. Continue until the entire surface is coated. A small dab of polish is sufficient, so there's no need to add more to the pad. This ensures a smooth, even finish while enhancing the paint's shine. Continue buffing with a clean microfiber pad, using gentle circular motions to work evenly across the surface. This helps remove any remaining streaks and ensures the polish is fully blended into the paint. Take your time, covering the entire area carefully until the surface appears smooth, even, and glossy. With thorough buffing, the paint will look refreshed, vibrant, and completely free of visible scratches, restoring a flawless finish. Thanks for watching.